Hello. An old pal of mine from Dublin sent me a song last week and I absolutely loved it, and I hadn't ever heard it before, and it's quite old, from the 80s, and it's from the musical Chess. It was written by Benny and Bjorn, and I absolutely just love this song so much, and I hope that you like it too. So I'm going to give it a little try now. Long ago, in someone else's lifetime, someone with my name who looked a lot like me came to know a man and made a promise he only had to say, and that's where she would be. Lately, run just as deep, the promise she made has grown impossible to keep, and yet I wish it wasn't so. Will he miss me if I go? In a way, someone else's story. I don't see myself as taking part at all. Yesterday, a girl that I was fond of finally could see the writing on the wall. Sadly, she realized she'd left him behind, and sadder than that, she knew he wouldn't even mind, and though there's nothing left to say, would he listen if I stayed? It's all very well to say, you fool, it's now or never. I should be choosing no choices whatsoever. I could be in someone else's story, in someone else's life, and he could be in mine. I don't see a reason to be lonely. I should take my chances further down the line, and if that girl I knew should ask my advice, oh, I wouldn't hesitate. She needn't ask me twice. Go now, I tell her that for free.